The Nothing Smartphone 2, the exceedingly expected successor to the unique Nothing cell phone, is an innovative device that has generated widespread exhilaration inside the tech network. Designed through Nothing, an employer recognized for its minimalistic approach and attention on simplicity, the Nothing Smartphone 2 promises a unique consumer enjoy. But, like any other product, it has its own set among the best advantages and downsides. In video, we are able to discover 5 professionals and cons among the best the Nothing cell phone 2, presenting a complete review, probably the greatest its strengths and weaknesses. Innovative layout. The Not Anything Smartphone 2 showcases a clearly revolutionary layout that unites it other than different smartphones in the market. With its transparent frame, the cell phone gives a fresh aesthetic appeal that appeals to the ones seeking a completely unique and minimalist appearance. The transparent design also presents a glimpse into the internal additives, including a hint probably the greatest intrigue in class. Natural Android Revel-In. The Nothing cell phone 2 runs on a natural and unadulterated model among the finest the Android operating gadget, devoid of any bloatware or useless customizations. This permits customers to experience the true essence, the most effective Android, taking part in its clean performance, intuitive interface, and get right of entry to the brand new updates at once from Google. The absence, one of the best pre-hooked up apps and heavy skins, guarantees a easy and snappy person experience. With a powerful processor, ample RAM, and generous storage capacity, the telephone can manage disturbing obligations, inclusive of gaming and multitasking, readily. The inclusion among the best superior functions like fast charging and wireless charging similarly complements the general consumer enjoy. Extremely good digicam device. The Not Anything Telephone 2 boasts a 86f68e 4D 402,306 AD 3 candelas 330D 05134 DAC digicam device that captures stunning snapshots and films. With superior picture processing algorithms and a couple of lenses, the telephone offers great picture clarity, shade accuracy, and dynamic variety. Whether you're an expert photographer or an beginner enthusiast, the digicam capabilities, probably the greatest the Nothing Phone 2, will certainly galvanize. The cell phone is crafted using environmentally pleasant substances, decreasing its carbon footprint. Moreover, Not Anything is dedicated to assisting repairability and increasing the lifespan of their products, lowering e-waste. By way of purchasing the Not Anything Smartphone 2, customers can contribute to a greater sustainable destiny. Confined availability and market penetration. As a surprisingly new player in the phone industry, Nothing faces demanding situations in phrases among the finest availability and marketplace penetration. Restrained distribution channels and brand recognition can also make it difficult for purchasers to get entry to the Not Anything Smartphone 2, mainly in certain areas. Because of this, customers won't have get right of entry to an intensive variety, probably the greatest add-ons, committed apps, or seamless integration with other gadgets. The constrained environment can impact the overall convenience and flexibility, probably the greatest the Nothing cell phone 2. Fragility and durability concerns. The obvious layout among the best the Nothing cell phone 2, even as visually appealing, raises concerns regarding its durability. Without the right shielding measures, users may additionally need to handle the phone with greater care to save you harm. Charge factor. The Nothing Telephone 2 is expected to be placed as a premium phone, which may additionally bring about a higher price factor as compared to a number of its competition. Lack of setup reputation. Being a newcomer within the cell phone industry, Not Anything nonetheless wishes to establish a reputation for exceptional reliability and customer support. With confined user reviews and a shorter track file, potential customers may also sense uncertain about investing within the Not Anything Telephone 2, in particular whilst in comparison to greater mounted brands which have built a faithful customer base over time. The Not Anything Smartphone 2 embodies a completely unique and innovative approach to smartphone layout and functionality. Its transparent aesthetics, pure Android experience, excessive end hardware, stunning digital camera machine, and dedication to sustainability make it a fascinating alternative for tech enthusiasts. However, confined availability, a loss of an established surroundings, worries approximately fragility, a better price factor, and the absence one of the best in established popularity are elements that could potentially avoid its large adoption. Ultimately, whether the Nothing Smartphone 2 is the right choice for you